It took so long before I could find my way to his house without getting lost. He lived at Field End, and I knew that we were too alike for me to fall for him, and then I fell. While the pebbles crunched and rustled outside, every time that someone passed by. We never met in the daytime, but in the summer the nights are light. We never had trouble talking, somehow things always felt right. He told me this was where his parents had met. I looked out the window and freaked out just a bit, while the pebbles crunched and rustled outside. Every time that someone passed by, I didn't know then what I know now. Pebbles are awfully sharp when they're rustling inside your heart. If I hung from a tree beneath his window and he saw that it was me, would it make him cry? While the pebbles crunch and rustle